Residents and elected officials joined an hours-long Zoom call today to give testimony on a proposed medical waste facility in West Warwick. The controversial project is now in the public comment phase, which means until April 15th, residents can tell the state agency whether or not they support the facility. After that, the state has 90 days to make its final decision on the licensing. 12 News reporter Shiina LoSciuto has more on where things stand. Shiina?
Right now, the DEM has already given a notice of intent to approve the project, but still needs to evaluate whether the company meets other standards. And part of that process includes considering concerns from the public, like the ones they mentioned tonight. For nearly 3.5 hours, the Rhode Island DEM heard public testimony about a proposed medical waste treatment facility. Those in favor say this will create opportunity.
I will only comment that this project will provide great jobs for our membership while it tackles a complex issue of disposal of medical waste.
While the majority of residents are asking, at what cost?
When you're dead, the jobs really don't mean anything.
The project in question would be right here at 1600 Division Road in West Warwick. That's right by the East Greenwich line. Med Recycler plans on using pyrolysis to get rid of medical waste. The CEO of the New Jersey-based company behind it says they would be a good neighbor here.
All of us generate this material, and it's important to have a way to process it without filling up the landfill. A company will do that while generating clean, renewable energy as well.
But several people raise concerns about the environmental impacts and health hazards something like this could bring, especially in an area where there are schools, neighborhoods, and even a daycare.
I don't know if they searched the country to find the one state agency that would allow their residents to become the guinea pig for this kind of an operation, but they landed here. And that's what's happening.
But Med Recycler says they are doing everything by the book.
It means that our operation will be safe. Everyone on the Med Recycle team looks forward to building this project that will create jobs and economic activity while also producing green that will help.
And we heard from a lot of people. And just to give you an example of how many people have their eyes on this, we heard from several people tonight telling us they couldn't even get into the Zoom meeting. Zoom would only allow 300 people in at once. So if you got on after that, you had to wait until someone else left to even watch. DEM says the final decision on the license should come by July 31st. I'm Shiina LoSciuto, 12 News.